Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this 2011 328i. It's blue with 144,000 miles. I've showed this car before, but we're gonna talk about a problem that it was having. So when I would drive at slower speeds, around 25 miles an hour or so, there was this rattling noise coming, which kind of sounded like a wheel bearing going out, because it would only do around 20-25 miles an hour, and it wouldn't do it much, but it would do a little bit of rattling from the front. So I did check all the under car covers, the panels, and nothing was loose. I did have the wheels in the air, and I did move them, and nothing was making any noise, and the car wouldn't make the noise at stationary, only when moving. Here's a clip of what it sounded like when driving, but at this point the noise had gotten worse, so you could hear it more. So when the car was driven and the rattling noise had gotten worse, you could tell that it's coming from the engine bay. I did hear it at the engine bay, and it kind of sounded like it's coming from the belt line and tensioner and pulley noise. I did replace those items, and one of the pulleys was actually bad and it was making a little bit of noise. However, it didn't fix the issue. And when I looked at it more closer, I did notice that the noise at this point had got a little bit more louder, and it was coming from this area of the intake. So I started looking at the diesel valve, and once I removed it, I saw that the flap is completely broken loose from its axle. So what's happening was it would be stuck at certain position, and sometimes it wouldn't make the noise, and then it would move and it would make the noise more, because the flap would be flapping around and it would be making more noise. So the fix was to replace the diesel valve. It was around $400 for the dealer OEM part. I replaced it, and all the noises have gone away. So if you have a similar noise on your N51, N52 engine, check that part out. It's pretty easy to take out. Just gotta remove this power steering reservoir out of the way, and then a few bolts there, and it slides out. Take the intake boot out of the way, and it comes off pretty easily. This was a pretty common issue on the older N54 engines. However, I hadn't really seen one on this particular engine before, so I was surprised to see that there was an issue on this one too. Anyway, so here's a clip of the car driving once the part has been replaced, and it doesn't make any more noise. That is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hopefully this video helped you guys. See you next time.